Okay, 7B. Concave mirror. So in this case, I am dealing with a concave mirror. I made sure of that. I have a P of 5, an F of 2 centimeters, and height of object. So the first thing is I want my horizontal line. So using my ruler, I can draw my horizontal. I then want to draw my mirror. So I am drawing a thin vertical line for my mirror. Now, technically my mirror is not a thin vertical line. I am fully aware that my mirror actually has that shape. But I can't use that shape in my diagram because my curve is going to be different from yours. And if it's different, we're not on the same page. And so we consider a single thin line as an appropriate start to these calculations. I now then take out my ruler and I want it to be 5 centimeters from the mirror, which is the straight vertical line. The curved one only helps me figure out which direction light bends or bounces. So in this case, take it out to 5, it's about right there, and then the height is 2. There's my height of 2. I also have a focus of 2. Which puts it right about here. Okay. Give or take a little bit on this. Now, I need to draw my rays. I need to make this picture work. And so ray number 1. Okay. Ray number 1 is blue. Goes in perpendicular to the mirror or horizontal to my center line. It then hits this mirror and it's hitting this curvature, so it's going to bounce down. It's going to bounce down through the focus. And so I'm then going to take this there is my first ray. Okay, so horizontal to mirror to focus. Okay, now let's do another line. Let's make this one red, so ray 2. This one is going to go from my object, so from the height through the focus, okay, and it's going to bounce back the mirror. I should say from the object to the focus, and then it's going to bounce at the mirror and go horizontal. Okay, so object through focus. There, I hit the mirror. It then bounces away. Horizontal. Now I have one more line. This is my check line. Okay, and that is the third ray, which uses the object and it goes through C. C is equal to 2 times F. Okay, so ready? Oops. That's F. About where C is. Okay, and so now I want to draw that. This object, ooh, rubs off a little bit on it. Not that much. Here is my triple point. Okay. Yeah, I didn't do that right. This a little off. My C is a little off. That's okay. So what I'm looking at here is I can now measure to find my Q. And my Q is going to be, that was 4, 3, so about 3.5. And you'll be a lot more exact on your answer. And I'll give you full keyed out answers with graph paper. This is done without that through basic measurement. The height of the image, okay, well, that was 2. Probably about 1. A little over 1. Probably about 1.1, 1.2. Now I can ask the other questions of what's going on with this. And number one, this is a real image. All of these were the true beams of light. And this is definitely flipped around, so it is inverted, giving me the answers that I'm looking for. And these were in centimeters, which is how I gave you your work. So there's your basic answers. Your numerical answers could be slightly different. Now we can check that. We can check that through the lens calculation. And we'll do that in a later video. I'd rather have you work on a drawing. Drawing is the key to making sure you do it right. Good luck.